Hello, welcome to HVAC Startup Technician, and this morning we're going to be installing an inducer module. Okay, so let's go ahead. It's a very simple process. This is our exhaust pipe. We just got to make sure that this here fits in the hole for our exhaust pipe. There we go. We're going to put this in. I already have my screw gun already ready to go, and just some small screws, and we got some little screws, so we could just, first thing, the smallest screw gonna go right in the back of this. Just have to make sure that it's pitched properly and it's lined up correctly. Okay, so let's go ahead. So we got this one in, and we just have to get the longer screws, make sure they're fitted correctly. And if you look to the back of it, there's a hole here. You could just kind of line it up and make sure it's going correctly. Sometimes that is the challenge, because sometimes we don't have light, but as I see, I'm using my phone here as an extra source of light so I can see where this goes. There we go. Tighten it up. We have another screw. Alright. Yeah, it always happen, right? Dropping stuff, but it is okay. And we're gonna put this one right here. It's a longer screw. Make sure we go directly again. And sometimes, I said before, you gotta kind of try to get it lined up correctly. So I'm gonna use my phone. Here, I don't have a lot of good light in here, but I'm gonna use this phone. It's gonna help me see exactly where. And there we go. So we tighten this up. And again, a little light is good. And we're gonna tighten these here. This is for a vent pipe. How the system works, it's gotta be drained properly, so we want to make sure we tighten this here. So we don't want any water coming back here, but we want water going back to the drain. And I'm gonna just use this and hand tighten this. Okay, hand tighten. Next thing we're gonna do is make sure this is our ground line. We make sure we have that ground line in. So the screw here, and we go into the back right here with this ground line. So we ground in. Next thing, our high voltage wires. This is the white and black wire, 120 coming into the inducer. We're gonna go here with black and our white. Okay, so we got power connected here. Next thing, we go in with our pressure switch. We're gonna put a screw right here, but before we do, let's put those leads in right here. This lead gonna go right here, and our another lead goes to our collector box right over here. Let's see if you can see some light. Okay, our next lead here gonna go right in here to our collector box. Okay, It's a small line, so that doesn't help when you have big hands like I do. Alright, and then we're gonna just take this up. This is already have power it, and we're gonna screw this in. We're gonna put a screw goes right here. We're gonna hold our pressure switch in place. And just hold it in place, and that's how you, simple process, how you install an inducer motor. Okay, then we start up our unit and we're ready to go. So as you can see, we installed our inducer motor and it's actually now running. So then we've been getting 120 voltage going there, and all we gotta do is wait for that pressure switch to close. So we can see that flame right up there, signal our pressure switch is closed. The next thing should happen is our burner should start lighting. So we just pay attention to the burners. There we go. The burner start lighting. So there we go. And that's how you install an inducer motor. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe. Take care, guys.